Just like the cataract surgery, your post-operative care is equally crucial. Kindly follow these simple guidelines and instructions to ensure a smooth and a comfortable recovery. Let's start with the eye drops first. Kindly follow the timings and the dosage that have been given on your discharge summary. Even if the interval between the drops on certain days changes, it's perfectly fine. Please don't worry about it. Whether you're instilling them yourself or you have someone helping you, the first and foremost step is a thorough hand wash. You can use your little finger and your ring finger to pull down the eyelid. You can use the dropper between your index and your thumb and press it. If someone else is doing it, also ask them to pull down your lower eyelid and instill one drop at a time. Make sure that the tip of the wire does not touch your eye or the eyelashes, because that can contaminate the eye drops within. Now, when we talk about how to clean your eyes for the first 1 week, use the eye wipes that have been given to you. You can wipe the lower half of your face with a wet towel, but avoid water from entering your eye for the first week. You can close your eyes and gently rub out any dirt or excessive medication. Do not rub it very hard. These are a one-time use wipe. Clean the area over the eyelid first and then go around it and then throw these. These are not reusable. Kindly dispose them after a single use. When we talk about our routine activities, watching TV, using your appliance like the mobile or the computer can be started from the very next day for as many hours as you'd like, as long as you're comfortable. You can resume your driving once you feel that your vision is clear. Regular household activities like cooking in the kitchen, lifting weight of any sorts is perfectly fine and can be done from the very next day. After the surgery, there are no dietary restrictions. You can eat whatever you want, even if it's spicy. You can even chew on hard food. Use the protective glasses that have been provided to you for the first 1 week while traveling outdoors, especially if it is a very dusty environment, to prevent dust from falling into your eyes. Sometimes you may have been asked to discontinue blood thinners prior to the surgery. Kindly restart them after the surgery is over. Your other systemic medications like sugar or BP should be continued as before. You can sleep on any side that you want. There is no restriction on sleeping on the side that has been operated upon. There are certain things that you cannot do after the surgery. Please do not put water on your eye for the first week, as that can increase the risk of infection. You can wipe the lower half of your face, but use the sterile wipes to clean your eyes. After a week, you can have a regular face wash and a head bath with both soap and shampoo. Kindly don't rub your eyes after the surgery, especially if your hands are not washed, as that drastically increases the risk for an infection. In case of any sudden redness, pain or a sudden drop of vision, kindly consult the eye foundation doctors immediately.
இந்த மாதிரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான வீடியோஸ் பார்க்க தி ஐ ஃபவுண்டேஷன் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.